Hey guys, so in today's video, we are covering different ways to actually make money using AI. Of course, there are hundreds or thousands of ways to make money using AI, but I've sorted through those and I've come up with my list of the 5 top ways to actually make money. Everything we're talking about in this video is tried and true. Now, I'll show you an outline of how you can do it yourself. We'll also be covering real tools and platforms to actually help you. And yeah, I want this video to be extremely actionable. AI is huge. It's opening up a whole new world for making money. So let's get started with number 1, which is using AI to start a social media management company. In the last few years, there have been so many insane new tools popping up. They basically use AI to help you manage social media for either yourself or for your clients. And that makes this such a cool business to start right now because seriously, if you know the right tools to use and you know how to market, that's going to be an easy 6 or 7-figure business. What you'll do is find clients and help them manage their social media. Many entrepreneurs and businesses want to leverage social media to build their following or get organic traffic. AI is a perfect fit for this. For example, Taplio is an excellent tool that can write and brainstorm content for LinkedIn. If you have clients looking to grow their LinkedIn presence, which is becoming very popular, AI tools like Taplio can significantly boost your productivity. If you guys come over here, you can see that you can generate entire posts and perfect hooks from this, which is also pretty cool. So yeah, you don't need to do this for yourself. You can actually do this for clients, and this allows you to manage many clients. You can see Carousel Generator, which is really cool. You can enter your title, subtitle, and drag and drop an image. It will use AI to generate carousels in just a few seconds. You can even input a YouTube video, and it will generate a carousel based on that video. This is just an example for LinkedIn, but basically for every single social media platform out there, there are going to be AI tools that you guys can use to really streamline the content process with YouTube. There are also vidIQ and TubeBuddy, which are extremely helpful for your YouTube clients, and Twitter. There's Taplio, or there's also HypeFury. Yeah, you guys get the point. Basically, you want to use these AI tools, find clients, and then run their social media platforms for them. I think right now, this is one of the best opportunities in the AI space. It's a service-based business with very low overhead costs, as well as starting costs. And let's say if you get 10 clients, each paying $2,000 a month, which you guys is very doable. That's $20,000 per month or $240,000 per year. The next great way to make money using AI is with an AI optimization agency. There is a huge demand for companies who have not yet really implemented AI within their business and are looking to do so. By spending some time learning about AI and exploring various AI tools, you can audit a business and implement strategies that significantly improve its operations. While everyone knows what AI is, few know how to use it effectively. There's a huge demand, but a limited supply of actionable knowledge. If you can bridge this gap, you can capitalize on the demand and create a successful agency. Another creative way to make money with AI is by investing in AI companies. What do I mean by that? Over the last 50 years, investing in high-growth private tech companies has yielded incredible gains for VCs and hedge funds. The same trend is happening with AI. Many AI and machine learning companies are not yet public, so most individual investors can't invest in them. Like, for example, I can't go out there and be like, I want to invest in OpenAI. However, there is still a way you guys can actually invest in late-stage pre-IPO companies like that. Google Fundrise and Use It, which basically allows you to invest in a portfolio of tomorrow's great tech and AI companies. I really like this approach because it's extremely passive, right? Like, instead of actively trading my time for money building some type of business using AI, I can essentially invest cash passively into companies that can actually grow in valuations. Now, I will say this, I don't recommend only doing this, but it really is a great way to diversify and make sure that you're making money from AI in all possible directions. And one company they recently invested in, for example, is Canva, which is a company that many of you guys already likely know and use, which has $1 billion in annual revenue. None of us would likely have access to invest in a company like this otherwise. Yeah, I am a big believer that if you find the right pre-IPO companies, your upside is a lot higher. This chart shows that VC funds normally get the most upside from investing pre-IPO, but it's cool because now you and I can get access during that stage. I'm super bullish on AI, as you guys can tell, and Fundrise is doing it right. So yeah, I've been an investor for a few years now. Anyways, that's the one way to make money passively in the AI space. So the next way to make money using the help of AI is by building an e-commerce business. There are so many tools out there now that can help you build an e-commerce business super fast and easily. For example, you can use ChatGPT to identify trending niches and products to sell. Then you can use tools like Midjourney or Leonardo AI to create designs or logos, saving you time and money on design costs. Typically, a logo can be quite expensive if outsourced, and from there, you can take your product and your design and sell it really easily using print-on-demand services like Printful or by building your own e-commerce store website. Now, when it comes to building your own e-commerce store, there are tons of tools for that as well. One just to be by Bluehost is a really cool tool that allows build an e-commerce store using WordPress. So I highly recommend that as an option. There's Adobe Firefly to help you guys generate images. Their AI-based image editing is just absolutely insane. In a while, it used to be hard to get really great looking photos for your products. Now literally anyone can do it using Firefly. You can also leverage AI to rebuild landing pages and websites of your competitors. If there's a competitor's website you want to emulate, there are tools to help with that. In e-commerce, marketing is crucial for success. What once required a team of 10, 20 people can now be done solo with AI tools. And now the last way to make money using AI is AI automated affiliate marketing business. It's basically when you promote other people's products and services, someone clicks on your link and they actually buy that product or service and you get paid some type of commission. There are so many tools out there that use GPT to basically write content for you. For example, there's Bing AI and ChatGPT, of course, there's Copy AI, there's Content at Scale. There are tons and tons of platforms like this. Like I mentioned earlier, build a website using AI. Bluehost has a great AI website builder. If you're building blog posts, you can create images using Bing AI. Nowadays, almost everything in affiliate marketing can be automated. You just need to embrace that idea. If you consistently apply this mindset and put in the effort over time, there's a good chance you'll see success. There's immense opportunity in this space. So after watching this video, if it feels like something you want to pursue, start taking action. Don't worry about failure or overanalyzing, just begin. And I hope this video helps you make $10, $50, $100,000 or more. Let me know what your guys' thoughts are about AI tools in the comments below, and let's hold each other accountable. And here's if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe for more content just like this.